Best ways to make money on Instagram. 1. Build and sell Instagram accounts. If you're good at growing an Instagram following, you can also make money by building and selling accounts. Basically, you create an account, raise it to a certain point, and then sell it for a profit. How much you can earn depends on how big the account you're selling. But if you can build up a large account with a good following, you can make a lot of money. You need to create an account and start growing it to get started with this. Once you've reached a certain point, you can start looking for buyers. You can either reach out to companies directly or use a platform like Flippa. 2. Monetize your videos with ads. If you're creating videos on Instagram, you could make money by monetizing them with ads. This works similarly to how YouTube makes money. You will need to apply to be a part of the Instagram Partner Program, and once you're accepted, you can start running ads on your videos. Viewers will see short adverts before or during your videos, and you learn money based on how many people watch them. The more popular your videos are, the more you can potentially make. However, your videos have to meet specific requirements to be eligible for monetization. And it can be challenging to get accepted into the program if you don't have a large following. 3. Sell digital products. Another great way to make money on Instagram is by selling digital products. This could be anything from ebooks and courses to Lightroom presets and templates. The great thing about selling digital products is that you can automate the entire process. Once you've created the product, you can set up a system where people can buy and download it without further input. This is a great way to make money passively, and it's also relatively easy to get started. 4. Promote your own business. If you have your own business, you can use Instagram to promote it and make sales. This is a great way to reach a new audience and get more customers. And it's especially effective if you sell physical products that people can buy directly from your Instagram account. You need to set up a business account and promote your products to get started with this. You can use Instagram ads, post pictures of your products, and include links to your website in your bio.